Hello, my people. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, is your friend, is your girl. Welcome. If this is your first time or you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you can watch all our videos. So thank you guys once again to this topic. I beg. Now for ladies, men, when I close my eye, when I don't know our secret. This topic now for ladies alone. So today's topic is how to clean down there. And this topic, it has hand, second hand, one leg, second leg. So this topic, I'm going to do it in 4 parts. So this is the first one, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, even part 5. This topic, you will learn how to clean down there. You will know when you ovulate. You will know how to conceive quickly. If you want to give birth to a baby boy, stay in this topic. Now wait till person gets, now they give person. So thank you guys again. So today's topic is for ladies only. It's how to clean down there. Some girls they stink. Some girls they ooze. That's why you see some girls when they'll sleep with man, you'll just see. After they don't sleep with the man finish, the man will go open windows. May all the others. You'll see some girls or some women. If their husband or their man want sleep with them, go first they say, I better go bath, watch that thing well. It's a slap on your face. You'll see some girls, they'll find finish, they'll get that V shape, They find they worried, everything complete for their body. But down there, na no go area. The man will see them. Go love them, go say, this girl, I love this girl, I want to stay with this girl. But if you don't go down there, the girl will come, the girl will surprise. This will not be the man where they die for me ever since. You go, they call the man. The phone go say, the black boy you are trying to call is with another girl. The boy don't run, he don't bed Johnson because of that odor. And sometimes that odor for there, if they kill the walking stick. If the walking stick don't ready for action, it want jogodo. When the cat odor when go, the walking stick go come, go be like dodo when so koye. So I tell you how to clean down there. Not blame anybody because some people don't know. Some people, they don't really know how to clean down there. They don't really know. Why some know? So if just stay in this channel to know what we dey talk about this time around. So first of all, if you dey use WYC toilet, before you use that toilet, make sure you flush. Make sure say you flush before you use toilet. Even if it has already been flushed, reflush it again, because that first time wey be say you use the toilet, anybody use the toilet or you use the toilet, your waste product wey you don already flush, sometimes the particles they come back, you come stuck inside the water. So you don't fit sell with your natural eyes. The only way you fit sell na through microscope or through I don't know what they call it in English. It's alcohol. We use it to wash ground. If you pour alcohol, you'll see the thing go they vibrate, go they foam. Or through microscope, that you fit see and say some germs don't already dey inside there. And if you don't reflush again before you see them, even if now you fair use them few minutes ago, reflush again. Because if you don't reflush, that germs will cause infection for your body. it can cause infection for your body. You understand? And always wash your toilet every day. Even if you no fit clean your house every day, but make sure you wash your toilet every day. Wash it. You understand? Even if you dey alone, you are alone in your house, still wash your toilet. It will really help you. Will prevent you from any infection. You understand? Then you see some ladies, especially the white ladies, they always go to gynecology to wash their down there, you know. Maybe they go once in a year, twice in a year to wash down there. Well, for me, you don't need to go there. There is a natural way you can do it without even going there. Then you see some people, they like to use Intimo. I don't know, Intimo, those soap for down there is not too good, because those soap, they have, I don't know what they used to produce it with, some chemical. It can also cause infection as well. You just see somebody just pack phone and put like, it can cause infection. There's nothing like doing something naturally. Me, I like doing my things naturally, you understand? So it can also cause infection. Then that there is just like your ear. If you don't clean your ear, you don't use that cotton bud to clean your ear, you know how it is. So na so down there, na so it be. So you need to maintain down there to avoid infection. Infection can cause cancer. Infection can make you not to conceive. Infection can cause miscarriages. Infection can cause bad odors. And infection can even make you give birth to a disabled child, which means I call them special children because they are victims of circumstances. It can make you born a disabled child. You understand? So it is better to take care of yourself. And how to clean down there. I feel tell una say this topic now for man, I beg una, not before. Now for ladies, not before man, I beg una. Then when they waka pass, if you watch this video, you fit teach your wife or you fit teach your girlfriend. You know me, anybody can teach person anything. If you really know you love your woman and that odor coming out from there, you don't like it, you can help her by teaching her through this channel. Because I really need to talk this thing, because you see some girls with their fine shape, with their fine body, no husband. Any man just enter them, man will borrow leg as they fine rich. You understand? So you can share this video so that people will learn from this video how to clean down there naturally without any problem, any infection or whatever. You don't even need to spend money. Then if you want to wash down there, there is a something called Amukina. I will put it in this video right now. You can see it. It's Amukina. We call it. You can Google it. You can Google it to look for the name of this Amukina. Then you translate it into any country you are. If you are in Germany, if you are in Holland, if you are in Swiss, any country you are, or America, London, then you translate the name so you can know the day and go to a supermarket or a pharmacy and buy it. It's very good. You don't have any side or disadvantage. It is very, very good. I've been using it for years. You can even use it to wash your vegetables, your fruits, even use it to wash your baby feeder. So it's very, very good. I've been using it. So it's there. Just check out the day. You just take it and take a bowl. You take a bowl, then you pour water inside. Enough water, and not be small water, many water. Then this thing, you put a drop, like 5 drop, and you leave it there for like 5 minutes. Then when you do this when you are having your bath, you just open your leg, and this your finger, not this one. I don't know what they call this finger for English, sorry. This your finger, you dip it inside your body, you remove the jangba inside, then you pour the water, you remove it again and use the water, you remove it again and use the water. From there you see say the thing don dey clean. If you until everything remove. Anytime you baff, continue doing this. Anytime you baff, continue doing it. You will see say that place go dey fresh. Odor e no go dey. If you do this thing and you still dey get that odor, that smell, you better go and see your doctor. Maybe you have already contacted an infection. But if you don't have an infection, you continue doing it. No odor, everything go clean. Even if say you no wear pants, this one wey be say they don dey use pants dey do something, you can stay without wearing pants, wear your trouser, no odor on your trouser, no odor. If you like, you can still wear pants. Especially for Nigeria people wey be say they say fear no dey let them wear pants again. This one go help una well. Then by doing this one, e go make your body gum, e go tight. Any man enter, you go dey ask whether you be virgin. You go even born 2, 3, 4 children. You go even dey tell the man say I get children. The man go dey say where the pikin pass come out. Na that place be the koko. If any man enter you, e go gum. You see some ladies, you say wetin this man even see for your body? As he worrish, as he get bad character reach. Na there e go hold am go because the man know wetin e dey see for there. Na there no be any ojuju no dey. Ojuju no dey. Na that place, that main ten ance of that place, na there be the joy of every woman. Na there be the enjoyment. If your man go there, the place remain gidigba, nothing do am. So my people, now this one I get to tell you now. I will upload the next part 2. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share this video for other women to learn from this. So thank you guys for watching. I think let's call it a day. See you next on part 2. Bye.